Hey there, San Ramon. I'm Lisa Peck, and I'm a local realtor in Danville, California. Well, the July numbers just came in, and whether you're thinking about buying or selling real estate in San Ramon, California, here's what I think you need to know. Okay, so let's get into it. We've been on a bit of a roller coaster ride from the pandemic to inflation, and the July numbers are finally out and they're really telling us the story. The stock market is seeing some sort of a rebound, and mortgage interest rates are actually coming down a little bit. Before we talk about things like pricing and days on market, I really think it's important to keep in mind that pricing and days on market are really just telling us a story of what happened 30 days before that number became a data point. So first, let's talk about leading indicator data points. These are the trends to watch to tell us where we're going. Inventory. In July 2022, San Ramon had 112 homes on the market, which is up slightly since June of 2022 when there were 100 homes on the market. And it's up a stunning 155% since July 2021 when we had just 44 homes on the market for sale. Now, what about homes going under contract? San Ramon had 52 homes go into escrow in July 2022, up from 44 homes in June, down 28% from the same time last year when there were 72 homes in escrow in July. Absorption. Absorption is a great indicator of buyer demand and the balance between the buyer and seller. Technically, it can be defined as the amount of time it would take for all of the inventory currently on the market to sell if the buyer demand remained constant and no new buyers came to market and no new listings came to market. So in San Ramon, July showed us 2.7 months of inventory, which is slightly up from the month before when it was 2.6 months. But it was up a ridiculous 439% since the same time last year when we only had 0.5 months of inventory. Now let's take a look at the lagging indicators to see where we've been. Total sales. In July of 2022, there were 42 homes that sold to new families, which is the same as it was the month before, but it was down 53% since this time last year when we had 89 homes sell. Now, for the median days on market, we've never had high market times in the East Bay, but it still tells a picture about how long it takes for buyer and seller to come together and to create a deal. In July 2022, the median days on market was 23 days, which was significantly higher than in June when it was 13 days. And it was more than triple what it was in July 2021 of 7 days. Now, what about median sale price? The median sale price for single-family homes in San Ramon in July was $1.898, down almost 4% from last month, but still up 11% since the same time last year when it was $1.71. And for this last stat, this is defined by the amount of the list price that the buyers are agreeing to pay for a home. So the sell price to list price ratio in July 2022, this number went down to 98%. We haven't seen it dip below 100% since 2019. So buyers and sellers are still coming together and still trying to find their way and determine where the market horizon is. If you want to learn more about your area specifically, or you'd like to discuss how this impacts your real estate decision, just click on the Calendly link down below for a free discovery call.